Hi kids, welcome back. Today we will learn about animals and their babies. Let's begin. This is a dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. Dog and puppy. This is a cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Cat and kitten. This is a cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Cow and calf. This is a horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Horse and foal. This is a goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Goat and kid. This is a sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Sheep and lamb. This is a pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Pig and piglet. This is a hen. A baby hen is called a chick. Hen and chick. This is a duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. Duck and duckling. This is a deer. A baby deer is called a fawn. Deer and fawn. This is a lion. A baby lion is called a cub. Lion and cub. This is a tiger. A baby tiger is called a cub. Tiger and cub. This is an elephant. And baby elephant is called a calf. Elephant and calf. This is a bear. A baby bear is called a cub. Bear and cub. This is a kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. Kangaroo and joey. This is a rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a kit. Rabbit and kit. This is a zebra. A baby zebra is called a foal. Zebra and foal. This is a giraffe. A baby giraffe is called a calf. Giraffe and calf. This is monkey. A baby monkey is called an infant. Monkey and infant. This is penguin. A baby penguin is called a chick. Penguin and chick. Great job, kids. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.